the previous video we created this map. Now let's explore some or more options available for map. So you have this map right now. If you go to the upper section, you have a tab which is map. Click on this and you have a option for background maps. So you can have different themes for this map. If I click normal, you can see a little change in the map, that you can see the oceans now. If I go to background maps and select dark, so theme will be dark at the background. Similarly, you have some other options like satellite. So map will be seen as like satellite. So let's keep it as is and explore some other options like background images. So you can change the background image by going into this data source, and you can add image from your desktop somewhere. So currently I don't have any desktop, so that's why I'm not choosing it. Let's close it and I'm cancelling it. Cancel. So you can add it like this way. Go to map and now geocoding. So suppose you have a different geocoding. Suppose for India you have states, then maybe cities, then as per the zip codes you have a specific geocoding in CSV format. So you can import it in Tableau, import custom geocoding, and go to this source and you can import it from here. So we will not get nulls at that point of time. Like you saw here, we were getting some nulls for US, then we selected specific country, then the nulls were gone. So if you have special geocoding, you can use this. Now edit locations. So this is the same screen that we saw when we were getting nulls. So if I change it to some other country like Albania, these are known as unrecognized. If I click OK, so map is blank now. We cannot see anything. Let's press Ctrl Z. Now next option is map layers. So you can add different layers on the map. So this is same. Change the background to light or normal. Let's convert it into the original, which is light, and then repeat background. So wash out. You can see at the background you can wash it out. Now it is complete white. This looks good. So let's go to other options, which is map layers. So you can have different features like coastline, and if you want you can add light state province by province names. So US doesn't have any provinces, so this can be applied for Canada. So you can explore these options and add more layers. So if I change a layer to per capita income, you can see a little change on this map. If I have selected it, so right now we cannot see much change, but yes, you can explore these options later. Let's go to some other options, which are map options. So this is something like which we are getting here. Show map scale, show view toolbar, which is gone now. Let's check it again, and that's all. So these are some map options which are available on Tableau, so you can explore them. That is how you will become proficient using maps. So see you guys in next video, because there is very important thing that I will show you on maps, which we actually use in our like workbooks that we publish. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys soon.